YouTube fam. So obviously one of my favorite colors, I've said it before in my previous videos, I love red. And I got the red leather interior. I mean, I'm always wearing J's. And yeah, so like on the outside of my BMW logos, you see obviously the natural BMW logo is always blue and white, which is cool, but for some reason I just like the way it looks red. It just looks different and it gives it a little bit more character. So what I do is I go online, either eBay or Amazon, and you can buy these bad boys, which is they're just carbon fiber stickers. And yeah, so you get these carbon fiber stickers, and then you just peel them off, and then you literally just stick it onto right there, and it looks great. So yeah, let me see. All right, so there you go. I figured out which one it is. It's one of these. So let me see. So you need to get your concentration on point. That way you get it exactly. There you go. Looks pretty decent. Grab this next one. You want to get it as much possible so you don't see no blue. Let me see. Oh, there you go. That's not that bad. And there you go. The little final product right there. Now the BMW logo is red to match up my interior. And that's all it is. But like I said, you could just type in BMW logo stickers on eBay or Amazon, and these will pop up, and you could do the same thing to your BMW. Yep. All right, man. Peace out, guys.